Hey, Zaylee here with Zip Seat Extractor, the first ever power tool attachment to remove the seats in Symmons valves. And we're here today with the inventor himself, Zach Zutfeld.
Thank you.
We're gonna go over some frequently asked questions since this is a paradigm shift for plumbers and it's still a newer tool on the market. Yep. So let's get right into it. So Zach, first of all, you've been in the field for 35 plus years.
Yep.
And how many of these valves would you say that you've rebuilt?
Oh, geez, thousands.
Okay.
Yep.
Great. So the first question is, does using the Zip Seat Extractor make the pipes more likely to break behind the wall?
Oh, absolutely not. When you use the hand tools, the old hand tools before the Zip Seat Extractor, put a lot of stress. You'd have to put this like T-handle in, or you'd have to put another tool in and use a pipe wrench, and you'd put constant stress on the pipes behind the walls.
Okay.
There was a lot of torque on the pipes. The Zip Seat Extractor uses the magic and the power of an impact gun. And the impact gun actually, it breaks it free at the point of contact rather than putting stress on the pipes.
Right.
So you can usually take even a valve that's not fully secured in the wall,
wow,
you can get them out without damaging the pipes, whether it's PVC, PEX, or old copper. Yeah, it's a much softer system for the pipes.
Okay, great. So you're actually saying that it's safer than using the hand tools?
Much safer for the pipes, for the valve, yes.
Okay. So for our next question,
yep,
will the Zip Seat Extractor strip out the seats if they're old corroded seats?
No, absolutely not. Well, let me back up. If you use the wrong bit, there's two different bits. Symmons valves have been around since 1968.
Right.
They were the very first and only single-handle pressure balancing device on the market, anti-scalding device. And they have seats in them, obviously, hot and cold seat, and they get frozen over the years. The older style seats are a square orientation. The newer style seats are a hexagon orientation. The newer seats came out in 2019. So any of the Zip Seat Extractor tools that you use, the classic is for the square orientation, the older.
Right.
And the hexagon one, which we call the Evolve, that's for the newer style seats. So you got to make sure you've got the right bits in there, first of all. If you don't have the right bit in there, if you don't lock it in by hand, it could strip the seat because you're using the wrong bit. It'd be like trying to remove a screw with a number 2 screw with a number 1 screw, Phillips screw bit. So that's possible, but not when you use the tool properly.
Right. So you're saying if you use it the right way, how it's intended to be used,
absolutely. You
then
want to make sure that's locked in first, and then you can remove them with absolutely no problem.
Okay.
Now, if the seats are already stripped, that's a little bit different story. A lot of times, you'll go into a valve and the seats will already be stripped because somebody had a hard time with those old hand tools, which tended to strip the seats. You're putting all that torque on there. So if that happens, if they're already stripped, we have a very special method we use to use the Zip Seat Extractor tools to remove those stripped seats.
Okay, awesome. We'll link that below.
Yeah.
Just out of curiosity, what is the oldest valve that this tool has worked on?
40 years old, easy.
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
I mean,
that must have been
my
pretty
experience, like I said, these valves with these seats have been around since 68.
Right.
I personally have worked on 40-year-old valves and been able to get those frozen seats out.
Awesome.
That's one of the things. The frozen seats are, inevitable in almost every older valve. As the valve gets calcified and minerals build up in it, they get frozen seats. Symmons is very familiar with that. They know about that. And our tool does the best job at removing them safely and easily.
I know the toolkit also comes with a diverter extractor.
Yeah.
Since that is another tool you put into an impact gun, is there a concern about that stripping out the diverter?
If it's not used properly, you can strip out the diverter. It's another tool. It's an easy out that's designed with special size to sink into the diverter. It's a plastic diverter.
Right.
And use the gun to rock it out while you're spinning it. So it's spinning inside and loosening up. And so it's the best bet you have to remove that thing easily and without problems. And there are two different style diverters. In 2016, they changed the diverter style. The older diverters are the T25As and Bs. And the As are white, which are used for tub shower.
Okay.
The Bs are black. But the new ones after 2016 are called VersaFlex. And those are a little bit different design. They're in the same location. Our tool is sized and designed to be able to remove both kinds, the older style diverters and the newer style diverters.
Awesome. Yeah, that was actually one of our next questions.
Yeah.
So does the diverter extractor work on both the different styles of diverters? You're saying yes,
absolutely.
it does.
Yep.
Okay. Does the Zip Seat Extractor tool set work on both types of Symmons valves?
Both types?
Yeah, like the older style and the newer style.
Yes, it works on all temporal valves.
Okay.
Yep, they all use the same parts.
I know you touched on that before, but just to clarify.
Shower only, S96-1, S96-2, S96-01, 02.
Right, okay.
Yep.
So this tool set works on all Symmons temporal valves and all diverter styles.
Right.
Okay.
And there are some other companies out there. I can't think of offhand the name. They're far and few in between that are knockoffs of Symmons.
Right.
That these tools also work on. But these tools are specifically for Symmons. Symmons valves. And the whole deal with them is they're beautiful, wonderful valve. You can rebuild the entire thing right from the face because they got all brass parts, except for the diverter. That cartridge is plastic. But the entire rest of the valve is like 21 parts in there. They're all brass.
Awesome.
The whole thing can be rebuilt to brand new. The hardest part of that job is removing those frozen seats.
Okay.
That's the hardest part of the job, and our tool...
Not anymore, right?
Our tool makes it easy as pie.
Awesome. Love that.
Yep.
Okay, last question. So what is the best type of impact driver or drill to use with the Zip Seat Extractor set?
That's a good question. So depending on the severity of how frozen these seats are, we always recommend using at least an 18-volt impact gun. We've had super 100% success when the tool's being used properly with an 18-volt impact gun. That's enough power to break the thing free, and it doesn't harm the pipes.
Awesome.
Yep. But you can use a screw gun or 12 volts.
Just a little riskier, maybe?
You might not get the results you're looking for. It depends, again. If it's a 30-year-old valve, those seats have never been changed.
Right.
You're definitely going to want an 18-volt impact gun.
Okay.
If it's, these valves should, the thing that people don't realize is that these valves should be maintained before they have a problem. Most people don't deal with their shower valves. They don't even think of it until the thing's leaking. Depending on your water quality, if you have harder water, these seats and the spindles should be changed out before there's a problem.
Okay.
And that should be, every 3 to 5 years, or even sometimes earlier. If you've got a water softener in the house and, you've got beautiful water, maybe you get away with every 5 to 10 years, but they need to be done. And typically, Symmons valves are, unless there's someone that is afraid of rebuilding the valve or doesn't have the right tools to make it easier, they might cut the valve out and replace it. When that valve doesn't get cut out, it stays in the house 30, 40 years, and that thing can be rebuilt from scratch. And Symmons has beautiful face plates, like 15 different kinds of face plates, different styles, different finishes, that when you rebuild the valve,
you can throw brand new.
A whole different faceplate on there and make the shower look like somebody changed the valve because you got a whole new look.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Great.
beautiful.
Well, that's
We love 'em.
awesome. Thank you so much. You can find out more information at our website, zipseat.pro, and thank you for joining us.